In this video, I'm going to give you a demo of using TubeMagic and show you all of the features and why you need this tool if you're even thinking about running a YouTube channel. So once you sign up for TubeMagic, you'll get access to the tools page right here, and here are all of the different AI tools, and you'll notice that they're laid out in chronological order from ideation to scripting to then uploading and optimizing, which is a process we all go through when we're creating videos. So let's start with the ideation phase, and we'll start with video ideas. For this, you can put in any channel handle, for example, Mr. Beast, and then click generate. And just like that, we got a video idea, but then we can click generate again, and we can generate unlimited video ideas for our channel instantly. Then let's go back to the tools, and let's go over the video scripts tool right here. This will allow you to generate complete scripts for your videos instantly. So in order to do this, you can just put in the title of your video, for example, the top 10 tallest buildings, and then select a number of words with this slider right here. And if you hover over this, it'll tell you how many words is a certain amount of duration. So for a 10-minute video, you're gonna wanna aim for about 1,500 words. So let's drag that slider to 1,500 and then simply click generate. And just like that, we have our video script generated right there. But if we go back to scripting, you'll notice there's also a bunch of script templates. These are templates to make scripting your videos even easier. So check this out. If we go to short form content, we can put in any prompt and it'll generate us a script that's under 60 seconds long, perfect for YouTube Shorts or any kind of short form content, honestly. And then we also have a how-to section right here. So you can make a script about how to, for example, bake a cake. So we want this video to be 5 minutes long, so we'll select 800 words, click generate. And just like that, we have a script in a step-by-step fashion. Now let's go back to scripting, and this is honestly one of my favorite features of TubeMagic, which is the script outline feature. Let me show you what this can do. For example, if we did that top 10 tallest buildings example, and then click generate, this will generate us an outline of our script in bullet points. So it's got all 10 of the tallest buildings right here, as well as a conclusion and an intro. So this is basing it based off of my best practices for growing YouTube channels. And I run over 12 different channels, and TubeMagic is making managing all of these channels infinitely easier. I mean, hiring a scriptwriter alone is going to cost you $50 to $100 per script. And with TubeMagic, you can get access to this at one monthly cost. And now let's go to our next tool, which is the warp upload function. If we paste in a video URL, ideally we're going to want to use an unlisted video before it's published, so you can go ahead and upload your video as unlisted, and then you can paste that URL in right here, click generate, and what TubeMagic is going to do is literally create a transcript of your entire video, scanning what's being said within your video and everything, and then it's going to generate you all the metadata that you need to succeed on YouTube. As you can see, TubeMagic has generated us 3 highly optimized titles, an SEO keyword-rich description, and a set of tags that you can simply copy paste into your YouTube video, making the process of optimizing your videos nearly instant. And if you don't need all of that data off the bat, you can scroll down here and just do titles, for example, or you can just do descriptions or just tags. Now you might see a few features on here grayed out, like the video research section as well as the My Documents section. These are features that are coming very soon. And if you go to the left-hand side right here and you click feature ideas, this will allow you to vote on the features that you would most like to see within TubeMagic. You can also take a look at a roadmap, what we're working on, and what's coming very soon to the software. Now, tons of huge YouTubers are using TubeMagic, and like I said, it's been an invaluable asset for me for running my 12+ YouTube channels. And we've also got huge YouTubers like Randolph with over 1 million subscribers, as well as many other YouTube growth specialists, influencers, and so forth, who are succeeding using the tools that TubeMagic has to offer. And that script outline feature will get you 50% of the way there, and then you can fill in those gaps, and it's way better than starting at 0%, for example. And some upcoming features that I'm super excited about include keyword research, which will be coming very soon, as well as video research, which will show you the top videos on YouTube within specific niches and periods of time. And once you join TubeMagic, you'll also get access to a community where we'll answer any questions that you have about YouTube or anything else. You'll get direct access to experts who are currently succeeding on YouTube. And there's also the opportunity of becoming a TubeMagic affiliate. This is essentially where you can promote TubeMagic and get 50% of every sale. And guess what? The commissions are recurring for life. So this is straight up insane. I've barely seen any softwares offer something like this as a first tier for any affiliate with no approval process or anything. You can literally sign up instantly. And this is a product that you can feel good about promoting as well. It's something that's actually helping people optimize their channels. And the best place to promote is obviously on YouTube, running a channel about how to grow and so forth. So if you're at all interested in signing up with TubeMagic, the price will be going up very soon. So now is the time to jump in on this on the ground floor of TubeMagic and join all the other huge YouTubers who are using using this tool to succeed. TubeMagic is the best all-in-one suite of AI tools for growing your channel, so don't wait, sign up now. Now is the time to get started using this. Lock in your lower price before the price rises, and you can keep this price. You'll be grandfathered in if you lock it in right now. My name is Matt Parr, by the way. I run the Make Money Matt channel on YouTube. I've helped thousands of people grow their own YouTube channels, and I run over 12 channels myself. I've gotten over 500 million views on YouTube, and TubeMagic is an absolute game changer. I couldn't recommend it more, so much so that I've spent well over 6 figures at this point developing tools selfishly for myself, but now we have the opportunity open for you to sign up to this to turbocharge growing your YouTube channel instead of spending tons of money on freelancers and spending hours upon hours of writing scripts and optimizing your videos and uploading them and managing your channels. TubeMagic takes out all of that hard work. It does it for you, and I highly recommend that you check it out and you sign up and you start growing your channel with TubeMagic for one monthly price as opposed to paying an arm and a leg for all those other things like I mentioned. You can start with TubeMagic right now. I'd love to have you in the community. Can't wait to help you with this, and hopefully I'll see you inside. See you there.